Throw limes into the oven. The result will surprise you. Start by taking one lime and slicing it into thin pieces. Limes are not only an excellent source of vitamin C, but also a natural cleaning agent. Their juice contains citric acid, which effectively dissolves grease and burnt residues. Lay the lime slices on a higher baking tray and sprinkle them with baking soda. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that breaks down burnt residues while neutralizing odors. Add vinegar to the lime slices and baking soda. When vinegar meets baking soda, it creates an impressive foam reaction. Vinegar is an excellent descaler and disinfectant. Finally, add a bit of water to create a liquid mixture. Slide the prepared tray into the oven. Set the oven to a high temperature and heat for about 20 minutes. Under the heat, the steam from the mixture will soften all dirt and burnt residues, making cleaning much easier. After this time, remove the tray and wipe the inside of the oven with a paper towel or a damp cloth. Your oven will shine like new, all without the use of chemical detergents. A clever trick for cleaning a burnt induction cooktop. No scrubbing or scratches. This method takes just a few minutes and helps keep your induction cooktop spotless, preventing tough stains and white marks from building up. Here's how to do it. Pour a small amount of dish soap into a bowl and mix it with water. Take a dry cloth and dampen it with the soapy water. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface of the cooktop. Baking soda helps to remove stubborn stains. Place the damp cloth over the dirty areas and leave it there for about 10 minutes. This allows the baking soda to penetrate and lift the grime. The dish soap enhances this effect. Afterward, thoroughly wipe down the induction cooktop. This step is crucial to avoid residue buildup. Just a few minutes of daily care can prevent permanent stains from forming. I add dish soap to my detergent, and it's so surprisingly effective that I want to share it with you. Mix 1 part dish soap with an equal amount of regular vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and the salt helps remove residues. Next, add a small amount of water and mix everything until well combined. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel and close it with a dish soap cap for easy dispensing. Test it on a few dishes. This combination is perfect for cleaning dishes. Glass will be crystal clear and porcelain dishes will shine. Washing and cleaning dishes has become much easier with this new mixture, cutting cleaning time in half. No one in my family uses regular dish soap anymore. This enhanced soap with salt and vinegar is 100 times better. A technician once recommended that I run my dishwasher this way once a month. This method effectively cleans the dishwasher of all dirt and odors, refreshing it without any scrubbing. If your dishwasher emits an unpleasant smell after every cycle, it's time to try this method. When you open the dishwasher, it appears clean and even shiny. So, where does the bad smell come from? Food residues accumulate in the filter. Just unscrew it, and you'll see how much dirt is there. Despite using the best dishwasher tablets, they can't remove all the grime. Over time, this results in a bad odor emanating from the dishwasher. Fortunately, the technician who installed my dishwasher recommended a simple solution. Prepare a bowl and place it in the dishwasher. Pour vinegar into the bowl. It's best to use the largest bowl that will fit to add more vinegar. Sprinkle baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher. Do not put any other items in the dishwasher. Run it on a hot cycle and that's it. As the cycle starts, water will flush the vinegar from the bowl, and it will clean the entire dishwasher. The baking soda will also contribute to cleaning the interior. Use this method once a month and your dishwasher will always be clean and fresh. Throw a laundry pod into a bucket. This trick will give you floors so shiny and clean, you could eat off them. Your floor will finally sparkle like a mirror. Start by tossing a laundry pod into the bucket. Then add a handful of laundry scent beads. Pour hot water over these 2 ingredients. The pod will dissolve, and the beads will too, releasing a beautiful scent. This homemade cleaner is not only effective, but also smells amazing. Now pour everything into a second bucket. This step is crucial. Use one bucket to wring out the mop and the other for soaking it in clean water. This trick ensures your mop stays in clean water, making your floors cleaner than ever. Wash every room this way, and your floor will shine without any streaks or chemicals. Wash your shower glass with this sponge, and it will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't build up. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge, ensuring it's clean and new. Grab a dishwasher tablet, remove its protective film, and take out the protruding ball. Press it against the sponge and cut out a rectangle the size of the tablet. Remove the cut piece of sponge and insert the tablet in its place. The tablet works wonders during cleaning, as its active ingredients effectively combat limescale and residue. Wet the prepared sponge under running water, letting it soak thoroughly. Use it to clean the dirty shower glass. No additional detergents are needed. With every stroke, the tablet dissolves and removes buildup. Clean the glass using circular motions, then rinse with water. This method keeps your shower looking clean for longer. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass and adds shine to metal parts, making your bathroom look as good as new. The modified sponge lasts for multiple uses and costs only pennies to make. Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar. I always keep such a clothespin in the shower. I attach it to the shower head or the shower door. It has a brilliant application that most people don't know about. Friends laughed at me when they saw clothespins in my shower, but when they learned the reason, they started doing it themselves. Thanks to them, a regular shower gains new functions. You can attach it to the shower head or on the side glass doors. It's important for the clothespins to be wooden. They must be made of absorbent material. That's why plastic clothespins won't work. Prepare about 3 such clothespins. Then take natural essential oil. I recommend eucalyptus oil. It's known for its antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It also has a warming and stimulating effect. Used in aromatherapy, it helps alleviate symptoms of colds, coughs, and respiratory infections. It facilitates breathing. Just generously sprinkle the clothespins with it. Then, attach them under the shower. It's important that they're in places where steam is generated. It will be the carrier of this scent throughout the shower cabin. A morning shower will also be an aromatherapy session thanks to them. This cheap and simple trick is brilliant. A day started with such a bath is immediately much more enjoyable. Depending on preferences, you can change the oils. I recommend an evening shower with lavender oils. They have a calming effect and facilitate falling asleep.